Hello YouTube, welcome to my part 2 tutorial on understanding of Visual Studio 2010. So let's start with the toolbox, which I already explained. This time I'm gonna show you more about it. Toolbox in here are all the different components that Microsoft gave you, or you can install other extended components such as DevExpress, Krypton, and other components. I'm pretty sure like 10 of them. Or more than 10. If you see a Krypton, like, why do I install this one? Why do I install more than one? Because they gave you a lot fancy stuff than the original Microsoft one. For example, Krypton button. Isn't that much better than Microsoft's button? Huh? Yep, I bet it is. What about DevExpress? Now the new trick is here. DevExpress is not here, so we have to go to choose item, which will take about, for me, a minute to load up. That is why I paused the video, so I'll get back. So we open it. Let me just choose DevExpress ribbon control and simply drag and drop on top of my form, just like I'll show you after loads up, and dock it on top. Docket is very useful on top. So let's run it. Compare 3 different buttons. Compile, press F5 or press the arrow up there. Very useful common stuff. Come on. Why are you so slow? There you go. So we have a Krypton button, original Microsoft button, and DevExpress. Looks like froze. DevExpress, see? Very unique and fancy. Let's go view the code. Then since there's no code here, the color change on yours is white. If you want to change it, make sure you go on Google and type in install a new theme for Microsoft Visual Studio. So I installed it and I got 6 themes. I made my own themes, like the expression one, so it's kind of different from other themes like Oreo. It's like white, kind of, I don't know. So I have this theme, I like this one better. Anyway, you can choose your themes and go to back to your phone. We have a data you can shoot to your source is when you're working with SQL server. Another thing that you have to download from Microsoft when you want to work with your database. Now go to Solution Explorer and right click, add a new item. For mine, I had like 20 something items here, so you can add. You have to download some of them, like the Express phone. You have to download some of them. You can choose different kind, like data. You can use MDF for the SQL server, Windows form. This one's useful because when you want to create something like a password, like a login form, you already create a template for you, or a splash screen. A splash screen is like before the program opens, it opens up a screen that says your program name, your copyright, then goes to your next main form. About who made the program is very, very, very cool. I will show you some example of the forms. By the way, this is my web browser that I made. Took me about 2 years. It's called Etherbolt, and I'll be showing you the different forms that I had. So the thing you see on top is a fancy button based on DevExpress. You see this help here? About us. That's right. This is based on the About Us form that they have. They already exist in here. No form. If you just make one, very easier to give you. Just change the design, like I changed mine. If you look closely, see. I just changed the picture and change all the different stuff. That's the click button, all the stuff, and press OK. Yeah, it's the same thing. So they have a lot of templates that can download online and modify it. But the code, you have to code it yourself, which I will start the next tutorial with simple code. Thank you for watching and have fun.